couldn't show the most of places, right? Because I just went to a single place and I just came back from there because of heavy rain. And so good morning everyone. The time is around 7:30, I think so, in the morning. First lesson, never ever hold a back brake. It might slip and I might fall. So welcome to my channel, Solo Wanderer, and this is Mokshit back again. There is a spider web and the road is slippery like hell. The reason I have come here is that I have changed my rear tire so that I hope it performs good. This is not some Michelin Pirelli or a Metzeler tires I am wearing right now. It's just a C8 tire. And oh shit. How many times I'm sleeping, dude? Let me do it. I can do it. Why can't I do it? So, see the amount of water over here. I think I can cross that place over there because it is, I mean, the road is drowned actually. Not fully, but a little bit. I hope here it works. I mean, I can go properly. See, the water is just here. And isn't it beautiful? Am I only one who is enjoying this nature? I don't know. This is a lockdown and this is a place near my home, behind my home to be exact. I don't take risks to go out because this is a Corona time, COVID-19 time. And just 3 to 4 days the water might be here, so I thought of why couldn't I go today to a small round, and here I am. Here the water is here itself and there is no road, but we shall make a beautiful road, right? We got the road and we got the road. Like something else. Oh man. It's just beautiful, dude. I love it, you know. If you can observe, see the beautiful mountain over there. Dude, the road is completely submerged over there. I hope you can see it. Let's create a route, guys. There must be no destination. Let's create our own destination. If there is no destination. I'm not coming to hit you, dude. I think so. I don't know what other people might think. Oh. Should I stand? Should I sit? I don't know what to do because the tire is not that. As you all know, this is some highway roads, not all-terrain road tire. and the balance is so good, dude. Seriously, it's too good. And another road is also stubborn over here. So let's create our own route. Here, let's go here. Believe me or not, yesterday I was standing literally there, and today I'm on my bike over here. The reason is the water has increased, and the reason for that is because of the rain, and water comes totally till here.
And I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining every.
Captured some good photos. The nature is just beautiful. Let's go back. So in the previous video, some people told me that the video is good, but what I couldn't make a little bit longer video or more content. The reason was, as you saw, it was raining heavily. But now it is a beautiful morning, not completely sunny, not completely cloudy. You can see clouds, but there is sun even though. This is what I tell shit happens. I hope the bike is not damaged other than this chota shits. And once again this bloody thing has come out. Let me do it proper in the home. So let's go back. I think I should wash the gear. Once again, dude, let's rock it. Before that, I should click some good photos over here too. I think so. Let me try to go on the road. Yes, hope the brightness is good. I hope you can see my face. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the beginning I made a small mistake by telling that I learned a lesson during riding the slush that we must hold a rear brake, but it's not exactly, it's dead opposite to that, because if we don't hold a rear brake and if we use the front brake while we ride on the slush, I'm very sure it will slip and we might fall, as you saw in the video where I fell. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share as much as possible, and follow me on the Instagram. So guys, if I don't know how many people are watching this video, if any of these people have any idea about what wall stickers to stick behind, give me a proper idea so that I will do that. I'm planning to add some beautiful wall stickers, something about like motorbike. Maybe it's a good idea, I think so. So I hope somebody out there might help me with that. And that's it. I must do this proper. I mean this room proper to make a proper videos. The lighting is not that great. I don't know whether you can see me or what. This is the beginning, right? Let's do it, dude. And see you in the next destination with the beautiful place. Signing out. Bye bye.